others. 12 years old, man, I swear to God, I was 12 years old. My mama didn't know, and stunned, ain't nobody till the day I got shot. They found some money in my pocket. Yeah, I know a nigga named Big Rufus that'll break you out. Them niggas running up the terminal, we taking out. They say that money turn a model bitch into a dog. And I got a couple evil pictures in my bag, y'all. Nigga, I mega hard, bitch, I'm a bad boy. Fuck the security guard, I turn them into track stars. You know my name, baby, that's Weezy fucking baby. And if that nigga hating on you, then fuck him, baby. I tell him fucking girl, 18-inch windows in my crib, you see the whole world. Bitch, what you tryna do? I haven't spent the check yet off the powder too. I am that fucking dude, now who the fuck are you?
Shoes with the matching fit check, yeah.